guys, welcome to day 18 of distance learning. So make sure you get your chart out so you can count by 5s and 10s, okay? Make sure your chart is out and you're following along, okay? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here we go. Now we're going to count by 5s. And we go back and forth from the left to the right. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's do it again. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, go ahead and put your chart away. I'll put mine away. Okie dokie. So let's think about our target for today, what we're thinking about. So it's going to be kind of similar to yesterday, and tomorrow will be the same. We're practicing a lot with how we add numbers in a word problem. So here we go. I can add and subtract numbers to 10. So we're working on numbers to 10 now in a word problem. So let's remember how we solve in a word problem, okay? So the first thing that we do is we read the problem. So in this problem it says I had 2 apples. So the first thing I did was I circled the number 2, 2 apples. I got 3, I circled the number 3 more. So I know I'm going to be adding, okay? When it says more, I'm going to be adding. How many do I have now? So the first thing we did was we drew 2 apples and then we drew 3 more. We added them all together. 2 plus 3 is 5. But 5 what? 5 apples, okay? All right, let me pause this so I can flip the chart so we have our first word problem. All right, you guys, here we go. Let's read our first word problem. I'm going to read through it, and then we're going to find what we need to circle and underline. Alexander ate 5 purple grapes. Then he ate 3 more. How many did he eat in all? So how many did he eat in all? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to circle the numbers and underline our keyword. So I see Alexander ate 5. So I'm going to circle the number 5. Purple grapes. Then he ate 3. I'm going to circle the number 3. More. So I'm going to underline my word more. How many did he eat in all? So let's find out how many he ate in all. So how many grapes am I going to draw first? 5. Awesome. I'm going to draw 5 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 grapes. Can you see that okay? 5 grapes. How many more am I going to draw? 3 more. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So in all, how many did he eat? 8. So let's write our number sentence. So Alexander ate 5. So I'm going to write the number 5. 5 grapes. Then he ate 3. So plus 3 more. Equals, and what was our answer? 8. Good job. Alrighty. Let's go to our next word problem. Here we go. I'm going to pause this so I can flip it. All right, hi guys, welcome back. Let me move this. My goodness, I'm running out of space over here. All right, here we go. So let's read our problem first. Jaden won 6 tickets at the carnival. Then he won 1 more. How many did he win in all? So let's think about our problem. Let's make sure we circle our numbers and underline the key word. So Jaden won 6, circle the number 6 tickets at the carnival. Then he won 1 more. So we're going to underline our word more. That more is telling me that we're going to add. We're going to put these numbers together. How many did he win in all? So how many tickets am I going to draw first? 6 tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Now, how many more am I going to draw? 1 more. All right, so in all, let's count how many he had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's think about our problem. So we have 6 here and 1 here. So, all right, 6 plus 1 more equals 7. Okie dokie, you guys. Let me make sure this is okay. All right. These videos are going to be a little bit shorter because we're going to go through them pretty fast, but I want you guys to work in your packets with your adding and subtracting. So this week, we're only thinking about adding strategies. Next week, it'll be subtracting. Okay? All right. I will see you next for reading.